Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPad is ready. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm App Store access so installs work instantly. Next, get the developer invite. Tap the Testflight link in Mail or Safari and choose Open in Testflight to accept. Once done, install Testflight if needed and allow notifications. This ensures you receive beta updates. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so Testflight can check for new builds automatically. You now accept and install the beta build inside Testflight. Open the app and locate the invited app on the app screen or tap the invite link again. Read the release notes to understand changes and known issues, then tap Install or Update to begin. While installing, watch the progress, and when the app launches, grant any permissions it requests, camera, mic, location, because missing permissions can break features. Once installed, run the app to complete any in-app setup the developer requires. You finish by actively testing and reporting. Exercise the features you care about and capture screenshots or screen recordings when something goes wrong. Then tap Send Beta Feedback in Testflight to include comments, screenshots, and diagnostic logs so developers can reproduce the issue. If the build won't install or crashes repeatedly, restart your iPad, free up storage, and sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh permissions. These quick fixes solve most problems and get you back to testing fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.